Howdy, my name is Jack Sanders and I just switched to solar with Freedom Power. I've been operating a design practice for about 20 years here in Austin, but I think I'm most known as the owner and operator of the Longtime Texas and the manager of the Texas Playboys baseball club. Here at the Longtime, we host our own brand of community baseball with live music, cold beer, hot dogs, with teams visiting us from all over the country and even all over the globe now. My wife and I embarked on a full renovation and addition to the house a little over a year ago. Added some square footage for our growing family, and we worked with Freedom Power to add solar. I think the benefits of going solar are cutting down on our utility bill, but maybe more importantly is being an active participant in a movement towards minimizing our dependence on fossil fuels. My experience working with the Freedom Power team has been nothing but positive. From the moment we communicated with our salesperson and the sales team, through the installation process, and then the ongoing customer support has been really top-notch. I would advise my friends who are considering solar to work with Freedom Power because they're going to lower their utility bills, but they're also going to work with a reliable company that's going to be able to walk them through this process. If you're looking for solar, get somebody that knows what they're talking about. Get Freedom Power.